Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, currently in the live trade, as you guys can see, live 16 IC markets. Okay, it's not a demo. For those that say I'm trading on a demo account, no, it's not a demo, it's live. Okay, and we're currently on the Euro GBP, as you guys can see here, Euro GBP. Live trade, 17 pips in the plus, 29 pips in the plus. And then yes, we are currently in, I think we're about in 27 trades here. Okay, we got 27 trades open, as you can see at the bottom here, 25, 26, 27. Yes, we got 27 trades running. And as usual, the time, okay, the date is the 2nd of the 6th month 2022. Yes, that's the time and the date. I mean, the time is now what? Okay, 16, so it's quarter past, just 16 minutes past 4 in my country. Yes, and then we in 28 trades, guys. Am I right? Let me just see here. No, 27. We're in 27 trades. Okay, so that's how confident we are in our system. Yes, we are confident. Our stop loss is here at the bottom. Okay, and then you can go verify this on your chart as usual. Okay, to see if it's legit or not. You can go verify this on your chart. Okay, what the market did at this time and this date. And the pair is the Euro GBP. Yes, and like again, live account. It's a live account. Okay, so as usual, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna pause this video, and then I will bring you guys an update whether this trade win or lose. That's it. It's as simple as that. Okay, we transparent, guys. We transparent. So I'm gonna pause this video. 73, 78 pips in the profit. I'm gonna pause this video and then I'll bring you guys an update. And yes, our stop loss is right here below. If it breaks that low, okay, we out. We don't want to be in a trade. Okay, so this is Mr. M standing by. I'll chat you guys later. Ciao. Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. So we're back. So we're still in 27 trades, as you guys can see. Okay, with 209 pips in the profit, 216. Okay, and yes, we're still in a live account. We are still in a live account. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, yes, you guessed it, I'm gonna start closing my trades now. Okay, we made enough for the day. We are not greedy. We know when to stop. We know when enough is enough. Okay, so as you can see at the bottom here, just show you. Yes, still 25, 26, 27 trades, and the date is still the same. Okay, the date is still the same, as you guys can see. The 2nd of the 6th month 2022, and yes, the trade is still going with 240 pips in the plus, 238 pips in the plus. But like I said, we're not greedy. We're gonna start closing our trades. Yes, you guessed it right. And yes, as usual, live account. We're still in a live account. So 236 pips. Let's start closing. 240 pips. Okay, 235. Let's just see. Let's take it to 240. Yes, 240 pips. Let's close. Okay, that's one close. That's two close. That's three close. Number 4. And we're closing number 5. And we're just closing all our trades. Number 6, number 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and as you guys can see, I'm busy closing my trades. Sorry for the dog barking in the background. Okay, I think he's happy for the pips we made. Okay, so we're just closing all our trades, guys, as you guys can see. And yes, as usual, we're still in a live account. Yes, we're still live. Okay, so we got 8 more trades to close. Date and time are still the same. Okay, that's the 2nd of the 6th month 2022. Okay, and our stop loss, we didn't touch it, still at the bottom here. Okay, so let's continue to close. And yes, we're still closing. We are still closing, guys. We're still closing. 2 more to go, 3 more to go. Okay, 2 more to go. And let's close the last one. Okay, so that's done, guys. Over 200 pips, 240 pips. We're happy. We're out of the market. We're not greedy. We know when to close. Well, the trade is still moving up, as you guys can see there, but we know when to get out. Okay, we don't want to give all our profits back to the market. Okay, we made that mistakes in the past, and we learned from it. Okay, in my earlier days of trading, we're greedy, and yes, greed, as you know, greed kills accounts. Okay, greed definitely kills accounts. Any case, that's another live trade for you guys. And yeah, for the naysayers, it's not a demo. Yeah, so this is me signing out now. So Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now. Catch you guys in the next video.